Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some Forstner drill bits, and these are 3 pieces, and these are the 1 inch. You can see they are 1 inch. And this is by TOOLMAYS Pro. And I already opened it up. You see I only have 1 left because I've already used 1 to work at my, on my Murphy bed, putting some running wires behind it through the hole. And here I'm gonna show you guys how this one works here. So let's go ahead and aim it down. I already put it into my drill. It just fits in like a drill bit would. And so we can just go ahead and make a hole. So the way it works is you can see it's got that point in there. So it's gonna stay where it goes on wood. So you just kind of get it in there going. And then it makes a nice hole. And you can see, I mean, if you want it to go all the way through, you can, but it makes a nice, good circle hole. Way better than just certain other drill bits that bounce around and things like that. So, I mean, I can go all the way through if you really want to see me drill the hole. But it goes fast. It goes fast and it drills. And it works. So I'm going to say this is awesome. Thumbs up.